I was just in an accident, but I'm fine. Do I really need to see a doctor?
Hi, my name is Saul Guajardo. I'm a personal injury lawyer that's been serving South Texas for over 20 years. The short answer to that question is yes, you really should see a doctor. If you are involved in an accident that caused you an injury, regardless of how the accident occurred, there are two compelling reasons to seek early and consistent medical treatment. The first one, that's to protect your health. And number two, to protect your legal rights. First, let's talk about protecting your health. In the immediate aftermath of an accident, many people will do a quick self-assessment and conclude, I'm fine, I don't need to see a doctor. Don't be one of those people. The smarter thing to do is to err on the side of caution and seek medical treatment, even if you think you are not injured. Why? Because a delay of symptoms can sometimes lead you to believe that you are not hurt when you actually are. This is particularly common with soft tissue injuries like whiplash and hidden injuries like concussions. These injuries can be quite painful, even debilitating, but the symptoms may not surface for hours, days, or even weeks after an accident. Your doctor will be in the best position to evaluate your condition and advise you about symptoms to watch for and what course of treatment or follow-up is needed. After this initial visit, your job is simple. Just be a responsible patient and follow your doctor's orders. This type of early and consistent treatment will be critical to making a full recovery and achieving the best possible outcome to your medical situation. Now let's talk about protecting your legal rights. If you are injured due to the careless behavior of another person or entity, you may be entitled to compensation for the harm you have suffered. The value of your personal injury case, that is, how much compensation you might be entitled to recover, will depend in large part on the story that is told by your medical records and your medical bills. The insurance claims adjusters for the party who caused your injuries will closely scrutinize these documents, looking for quote-unquote red flags that can be used to justify a low settlement offer. Delayed treatment and inconsistent treatment are two bright red flags. If you delay seeking medical treatment, the claims adjuster will question the seriousness of your injuries. After all, how badly could you have been hurt if you didn't need medical attention right away? In addition, delayed treatment opens the door to questions about the cause of your injuries. The claims adjuster will speculate that maybe it wasn't the accident that caused your injuries, but some other event that happened in between the time of the accident and the time you sought treatment. Likewise, if your medical records reveal inconsistent treatment, for example, that you repeatedly stopped and restarted treatment or missed appointments or failed to follow your doctor's order, the adjuster will argue that you failed to take reasonable steps to minimize the harm you suffered, which will reduce the value of your claim. Finally, a record of delay and inconsistent treatment opens the door to a claim of malingering. Essentially, the adjuster may accuse you of faking or exaggerating your injuries for financial gain. The bottom line, why leave room for doubt? Seek medical treatment soon after an injury, and then, once you start treatment, be a good patient. Keep all of your appointments, follow your doctor's orders, and don't stop treatment until your doctor releases you. This is the surest way to protect both your health and your legal claims, and put to rest any doubts that the claims adjusters might have about the nature and seriousness of the injuries you sustained as a result of the accident. If you've been involved in an accident or have questions regarding this matter, give us a call. We're here to help you. Call us at 956-318-3200.